Let us now look at the custom application that we have developed using Apps Composer. Let's log into the application first. So this lists the new custom object. As you can see, the transform work order request as to whomsoever has access. So let's go into the transform work order request. This is the landing page where the shipping clerk can go ahead and create a new transform request. Let's say he clicks on the create transform request. He gets into what is called as a create page. So as we saw in the use case, he is going to create a transform request from AS54888 to AS54999, let's say that as in the use case. And then he's also going to give a quantity of 3, and then let's say the due date is going to be sometime in the next 2-3 days, let's say 25th of February. So once he gives the date, he can now just click on the submit button. This brings him back to the landing page with the status of the request showing as submitted. Now when the supervisor logs into the same app, he will come to see the same landing page and he can go to the details, and now he sees the create work order button. He can review the request that was created and he clicks on the create work order button. This uses the REST service in the background, and as you can see here, the work order, the status is now work order created. Let's now log into the application, the work execution, and review what work order has been created. So we are now in the landing page to review all the transform work orders. As you can see here, the work order with the request number that was created 0007 has been created for the item AS54999. You can also see that the quantity date as we entered in the create request has been brought into the work order. Let's now take a short overview of what went into building this application composer custom object. So we can go into the application composer custom object and let's get into the ERP and SCM area, application area. And you can see there are several things that can be done using the application composer. You can, create custom workflows, security, custom objects, templates, metadata, web services, everything can be done custom using this tool. So let's review the tool that we built, that is the transform work order request. So like we saw in the create request, we have all the fields that are created, like the transform from item to item. We created a SQL script, which essentially is a Groovy script to get the work order created in the background using the REST service, which is a very standard one. So using application composer, we can actually create a custom application to extend your existing application.